So you're currently running a booking business, right? Currently have your property and you listed at booking.com and you've receiving quite a lot of reviews. Now in this video, guys, I'm going to show you how to check those reviews. It's super easy and so super simple, right? So you want to ensure that you sign into your partner's account for booking.com, and this is going to make you log into your admin portal. Now, if you don't know how to check it, I'm going to just quickly walk you through. So obviously you need to go to booking.com, and once you sign into your booking account, you will have the option at the top that basically says list your property, right? Because if you click your drop down here, you don't have the option to actually log into that portal directly. So you can simply click list properties from here, and from here it's going to take you over to the page. You can click away, you can list a new property, or you can just simply click the profile in the upper right and click view my properties. This is going to kind of take you over to the group homepage, and from here you can do whatever it is that you want. Now, once you're here, guys, in order to view the reviews for your properties, just simply click on reviews on the upper part. You have the many options here. You have home page, you have reservation, then you have reviews. And this is going to show you a ton of different reviews if you have any as well. So you can click on show and it will show you all of those reviews. You can also filter it by day. You can also filter it by one or more property IDs if you want, but this is how you can easily filter it. It should be super simple, and so you just have the date. Once you have those results, you can quickly go ahead and basically save them, download them. You can show them as well, and from there you can just quickly go ahead and start to reply to reviews. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.